Python FastAPI, is FastAPI better than Flask? FastAPI is a modern, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python. It's designed to be fast, efficient, and developer-friendly. Built on top of Starlette for web handling and Pydantic for data validation, FastAPI is known for its ease of use and robust performance. Key features of FastAPI: 1. High performance *, comparable to Node.js and Go in terms of speed, thanks to its use of asynchronous request handling, ASGI. 2. Automatic API documentation *, built-in Swagger UI and Redoc for automatic API documentation generation. 3. Data validation and parsing *, Pydantic models for automatic request body validation, data parsing, and serialization. 4. Type hints and auto-completion *, type hinting ensures better IDE support and fewer bugs. 5. Asynchronous support *, fully compatible with Python's async and await, enabling scalable applications. 6. Security and authentication *, built-in support for OAuth 2, JWT, and API key-based authentication. 7. Dependency injection *, a powerful dependency injection system for managing shared resources like databases or authentication systems. Core concepts in FastAPI: 1. Path operations *, define API endpoints using decorators like @appget, @apppost, @appput, and @appdelete. 2. Request handling *, handle requests with query parameters, request bodies, headers, and cookies. 3. Response models *, define output models using Pydantic for clear API responses. 4. Validation and serialization *, use Pydantic models to validate incoming data and serialize responses automatically. 5. Dependency injection system *, inject services like databases, authentication systems, or reusable components. Example of a simple API with FastAPI from FastAPI: import FastAPI from Pydantic, import base model # create an app instance, app equals FastAPI, # define a data model class item, base model name, str description, str none equals none price, float tax, float none equals none, # define a route at apppost, /item / async def create _item, item total _price equals item.price, plus, item.tax or 0, return name, item.name, total _price, total _price -y. Use FastAPI, developers * great for both beginners and advanced developers due to its simplicity and powerful features. Companies * ideal for microservices, real-time APIs, machine learning models, and data-driven platforms. Use cases for FastAPI: 1. REST APIs * build scalable web services and APIs. 2. Machine learning and AI models * serve ML models with minimal overhead. 3. Microservices and cloud APIs * develop cloud-ready microservices. 4. Backend for web/mobile apps * power web or mobile applications with secure backends. Companies using FastAPI: Netflix * for internal data tools, Uber * for critical APIs and data services, Microsoft * for some Azure-related APIs, Zillow * for managing large data sets.